Hello friends, how are you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to perfectly customize the touchpad sensitivity in Windows 11. Customizing the touchpad sensitivity can make navigating your Windows 11 device smoother and more comfortable. So whether you want a faster response or more precise control, Windows 11 provides built-in options to let you perfectly adjust the touchpad sensitivity to your preference. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to click on the Start button and then you have to choose the settings icon. Now, in the settings window, you have to click on Bluetooth and devices from the left sidebar. And then you have to scroll down and find the touchpad under the devices section. And then you have to click on it to get going. Now, in the touchpad settings, look for the tab section. Here, you will see an option labeled Touchpad Sensitivity. Then you have to click on the drop-down menu and select the sensitivity level that suits your preference. And you have multiple options to choose from, such as most sensitive, high sensitivity, medium sensitivity, and low sensitivity. Now you have to choose the preferred option. After making your selection, you can use the touchpad to test the sensitivity. If it feels too fast or too slow, you can go back to the same menu and then you can make the further adjustments depending on your needs. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily customize the touchpad sensitivity in Windows 11 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.